Hey everyone, here's an instructional video on the ShellShock EXO Pro Bluetooth. To begin with, the battery compartment is located on the right ear cup. Simply pull up and remove the cover. To activate the Air Pro, rotate the large knob up to your volume preference. To pair the Bluetooth, press and hold this button for 2 seconds. You'll see a blue LED light flash for confirmation. To complete the pairing process, open the Bluetooth settings in your phone. Once that's complete, turn off the Bluetooth by holding down the button for 3 seconds. The light will stop flashing. To turn off your Air Pro, turn the volume down until you hear it click. To start or stop Bluetooth audio, press the button once. Also press the button once to end or receive calls. Finally, to adjust volume for your audio, turn up or down the small knob. Place the Air Pro on your head, collapse the strap for a secure fit. You're ready to go.